Hey your friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Floretti Tualetti from Steal a Brainrot, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started by splitting our paper in half. Stepping over on the left hand side, we're going to draw in a circle for that left eye. And now let's leave a gap coming over on the right, replicating that. Let's move over towards the inside corner, drawing in another circle for the pupil. Now on the top, slightly over toward the inside, we're going to draw in a nice big circle for the highlight. And then we're just going to color in our eye black. Now in the middle for the mouth, we're going to connect this together. So we're going to draw in a curved line across. On the left-hand side, arching this down, pulling this back through and up on the right. Now on both sides, we're just going to curve this line in for the teeth. From that edge again, curving this around and in towards the middle. And then we're going to arch this line up and over for the tongue. Let's move up and draw in the roses now. So right in the center, we're going to curve this line across. Coming up on the left and right hand side, arching that through towards the top, making these slightly boxier. And then we're going to close this off on the very top here with another curved line. Let's come up. We're going to curve this over. Let's leave a gap in the center, drawing in a sideways oval. Now we're going to draw in a nice big rectangle, just rounding out those edges. Let's step across now. Beside the eye, we're going to curve this over. Again, curving this up on the left-hand side. And now lining this up at the same height, just curving this back down towards the middle on the inside. Let's round out the top. Let's come up, drawing in another curved line across again. In the center, let's draw in a sideways oval. And then moving around that, just drawing in another rectangle, closing that off. Now let's come out and we're going to, on the bottom, curve this diagonal line across. Let's move down, drawing in the petal. So we're going to curve this line out, pulling that back through towards that edge. And now for the side of the toilet here, we're just going to curve this line in on a diagonal, ending that at the same height. Let's draw on the arm. So we're going to curve this line out. And then moving underneath, curving that back out, pulling that back up. Now let's come up for the wrist. We're going to curve this line down, across, pulling that back up again. Now for the thumb, stepping in towards the middle, curving that out. For the rest of the thumb, arching this around, pulling that back down. And then we're just going to curve that across. Now let's come over for the other side of the palm, just rounding that out, pulling that in. And now let's come up in the center. We're going to draw in another curved line. Let's draw on our first finger. So stepping up, we're going to arch this around and pulling that back down. Right in the center, curving this around and in. One last time, curving this out, pulling that down towards that corner. And now we can continue to draw in the rest of the flowers behind. So we're going to come up and we're going to curve this line out. And now on the edge here, just rounding that out, pulling that in. Let's come up on a diagonal, curving this across. Now right in the center, drawing in a sideways oval. And then moving around this, just drawing in another rectangle. Let's come up. Again, we're just going to add a small petal in the corner here. So 2 curved lines joining in the center. And now let's move up. We're going to curve this line out. Stepping down on a diagonal, replicating that, pulling that in. Let's curve this all the way over towards the side. Now let's come up. We're going to arch this line across. In the middle, let's draw in a sideways oval. Let's move around that now, drawing in a big rectangle again. And then another petal, just curving that out, pulling that down. Now let's come up from the middle, stepping over. We're going to curve 2 lines that come out. We're going to draw in 2 more petals here. And then from that point, pulling that down. Now let's draw in the rose right in the middle. So we're going to curve 2 lines that come up towards the top, ending that at the same height. Closing that off with another curved line. Now underneath, arching that over. And then in the center, drawing in another oval. Let's move up. We're going to draw in a nice big rectangle. And now let's come down, drawing in the last of our roses. So we're going to curve this out on a diagonal towards the top. Let's step over, pulling this down. And now let's close that off with a curved line on the very top. Moving up, arching that across. Now in the center, drawing in a sideways oval again. And then moving around that, just creating a nice big rectangle. We're just going to add another petal here, so curving that out, pulling that back down. We'll do the exact same thing on the left-hand side. And now let's continue to move down and close off the rest. So we're going to start on the left-hand side here, and we're going to curve this line around and down, connecting that together. Let's step in on the left-hand side, arching that around and in. Now we're going to draw in a rose that's coming out of the toilet. So we're going to step down and we're going to curve this up, connecting that to that line. And then we're going to arch this around, pulling that back down. Let's replicate that. So stepping across, lining that up at the same height, curving that out, down and in. Now to the right of this, we're going to curve this over, arching that in towards the center. We're going to leave a gap. So we're going to step over on the left, curving this around and down. And then one more time on the right-hand side, curving that in. Let's step over now. So moving up from this, we're going to curve this line over and across. And then on the top here, just arching that in. Now on the left-hand side, we're going to imagine this line comes through, and we're going to curve this around all the way through towards the back. We're going to continue to add some petals in here now. So on the left-hand side, we're going to arch this down. And then from here, just curving that around and in towards the bottom. Let's continue to close this off. So on the right-hand side, rounding this out, pulling this over and through towards the side. And now let's draw in a small little petal on the side here. So we're going to curve this line out, pulling that back in. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the left. Now in the middle, we're just going to close that off with a curved line. To the left of this, arching this out and down. We'll do the exact same thing on the right, ending that at the same height. And then now let's close that off with a curved line. Let's step over, arching this around and in. Now underneath, we're going to curve this line out and through, curving that across, arching that back out, pulling that in. And then one last time, curving that out and through towards the side. Now underneath, we're going to curve this down and in towards the center, stepping across on the right, replicating that. Now let's draw in 2 straight lines coming down towards the bottom. And then on the left-hand side, we're just going to round this out, curving this over, pulling that back through on the right. And that is it. That's how you draw Floretti Tualetti from Steel Brainrot. You can pause the video, color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.